Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Welcome back to our channel. If you're a proud F-150 owner on the hunt for the best headlights to enhance your truck's visibility and style, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into the top options for upgrading your F-150's illumination game. Let's light up those roads. Number 1. DNA Motoring has truly outdone themselves with these headlights. Designed specifically for the F-150, they bring a stunning transformation to your truck's front end. The sleek, modern design and crisp LED lights make your ride stand out in any crowd. Installation was a breeze, thanks to the user-friendly instructions. These headlights not only enhance your truck's aesthetics but also provide exceptional brightness on the road, improving safety and visibility. With DNA Motoring, you're not just upgrading your F-150, you're elevating your driving experience to a whole new level. These headlights are a must-have for any F-150 owner looking to turn heads and illuminate the way. Number 2. DWVO Headlights, illuminating excellence for your F-150. Buckle up, F-150 enthusiasts, because DWVO has redefined nighttime driving. These headlights are a game changer. The brilliance they bring to your truck is jaw-dropping. Installation is a breeze, and the fit for F-150 is flawless. Whether you're cruising city streets or tackling off-road adventures, DWVO lights up the way with clarity that rivals daylight. Say goodbye to dim, dull headlights, say hello to a safer, sleeker, and more stylish ride. DWVO headlights are more than an upgrade, they're a statement. Your F-150 deserves the best, and DWVO delivers in spades. Illuminate your journey with DWVO, where excellence meets the road. Number 3. Auto Dynasty's headlights for the F-150 are an absolute game changer. These headlights aren't just an upgrade, they're a statement. The sleek design and vibrant LED illumination not only enhance your truck's aesthetics but also provide exceptional visibility on the road. Installing them was a breeze, and the quality is top-notch. Whether you're cruising through the city or tackling off-road adventures, these headlights are your trusty companions. With Auto Dynasty, it's not just about driving, it's about making a statement. Upgrade your F-150 with these headlights and watch heads turn wherever you go. Auto Dynasty, where style meets substance. Number 4. Amerilight Headlights, the game changer for your F-150. These headlights are an absolute must-have for every F-150 owner out there. The sleek design not only enhances your truck's aesthetics but also provides exceptional visibility on the road. With easy installation, you'll be hitting the road with upgraded style and safety in no time. Amerilight headlights are a true head-turner, ensuring you stand out from the crowd. Say goodbye to dim, outdated lights and hello to superior brightness. Upgrade your F-150 today with Amerilight, because when it comes to headlights, they're in a league of their own. Number 5. Edro's headlights are an absolute game changer for your F-150. Say goodbye to dull, lackluster lighting and hello to a brilliantly bright driving experience. These headlights are like the crown jewels of the road, illuminating your path with unmatched clarity and intensity. With a sleek design that complements your F-150's aesthetics, they're the perfect blend of style and substance. Installation is a breeze, and their durability ensures they'll keep shining for miles to come. Elevate your truck's look and safety with OLED Row. It's a luminous upgrade you won't regret. In conclusion, choosing the best headlights for your F-150 is crucial for safety and visibility. We've covered a range of options today, each with its unique features and advantages. Remember to consider your specific needs and budget when making your decision. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has helped you make an informed choice for your F-150 headlights.